You've made it to the growth section of Play, where digital marketing is just a few taps away. Play uses cutting edge marketing strategies so you can create expert Facebook ads, find micro influencers, launch Google search ads, and more in just a few taps. So let's get started. When you open the growth section, you'll be greeted with two different options. One is a playbook that's tailored to your business type. For this one, I chose e-commerce. The second option is to choose and launch individual Facebook ads, Instagram ads, find micro influencers, Google search ads, launch YouTube ads, and more. So this is more of the a la carte option. But first, what you want to do is connect to your Google Ads or Facebook Ads account. So all you have to do is tap the box at the top, select Connect, choose your email that has access to a Google Ads account, and then you can select the account that that email has access to. So you can easily switch between all of your Google Ads accounts in just a few taps. So once you connect to your Google Ads account, you can also connect to your Facebook Ads account with the same process. So very simple. And before we get into the playbook, why don't we just start by creating a Facebook ad like the pros, and I'll just show you how easy it is with Play in just a few taps. So all you have to do is add your website, and then you can choose your page or your Instagram page if you have it connected to your Facebook page. And in order to run Facebook ads with Play, you need to have conversion tracking or the conversion tracking pixel from Facebook on your website. So once you have that, you can just choose your goal that you're going for. This is because Play will optimize your Facebook ads in this campaign to help you reach that goal. Now it's time to choose and build your audience. Everyone knows that targeting in Facebook ads is one of the most important things, but it's also one of the most complex things. But with Play, this takes the burden off your shoulders. You can easily create a remarketing audience in just a tap through Play. Or you can select one of your pre-built audiences that you already have in Facebook ads. Or you can choose to target interests. Just enter your search term like cats, and you can easily select a list of Facebook interests to target. And once you find and pick an interest, make sure you check the box right next to it so you're actually going to be targeting that interest and not creating a marketing audience or one of the other options. So you can continue your searches and add pets, for example, and select people to target who are interested in pets. And you can easily scroll through a list of different targeting options related to pets. So you can even choose something like animal welfare. And this is great for targeting new users, whereas choosing a remarketing audience will help you get other customers who have been to your site to buy, because it takes an average of 7 site visits before any customer is ready to buy on your site. So that's why remarketing is good. So now that you have your audience, let's add some creative images for our Facebook ad. All we have to do is hit the plus icon, and you can choose to add images from your camera roll or from your Facebook ads account. You can add up to 4 different images. And once you add your images from your camera roll or Facebook ads, just hit resize, and you can zoom in or zoom out to target the area of the picture that you want to include in your ad. And then once it's right for you, you want to make sure you hit select, or you can add more images. And once you tap select, Play will use that image in your Facebook ad campaign. And you can also choose to resize your image as rectangle, so you fit in more placements. So 2 different dimensions for you, and it's good if you can to add more than one image, because Play will use AI to rotate these images so it shows the best one to the best person at the right time. So add as many as you can, and Play will really help you out to optimize your ad to show you the best image at the right time. So just select the images after you resize them, and you'll be ready to start writing a few lines of text for your ad. Now it's time to write our ad text. Now that we have the images, we're going to be doing something very similar. We're just going to write several headlines and several lines of promotional text to talk about our offer or about our product. And you can write one line of text, or you can click the add button right below each section. And this will allow Play to rotate all of your different options together with your images to find the best ad and the right customer at the right time. And this will really take the pressure off yourself. Think of it as automated A/B testing. And you don't have to create as many ad groups or campaigns as you did before to get all these A/B tests going. So this is a lot simpler for you now with Play. So try to add as many as you can to get optimal performance. Now we're almost done. We just need to choose a location to target for our ads. We can choose anywhere in the world, like we can target something like San Diego, or we can target California or all of the United States.
Once you just scroll through the list and select your option, you want to make sure that you check the box right next to it and unselect any option you don't want to show your ad. And now we've made it to the final step. This really only took us 4 steps to get here to launch an expert Facebook ad campaign. Now we can select any budget we want, from anywhere from $1 a day to $100 a day. So select your budget and launch your campaign. Please note, uploading this to Facebook ads can take up to 30 seconds depending on your Wi-Fi connection or your cellular device. As soon as the campaign's created, you're taken to the results section of Play. Here, you can see all of your campaigns, and all in one place. So you can tap on the edit icon if you want to customize the name of this campaign so it's more easy to find. So you can do anything like cat, because this is kind of what we promoted in this last promotion campaign for Facebook. You can tap on any of the results to see how they're doing and get an easy breakdown throughout your funnel as far as how that promotion is helping your business grow. And that's how you can easily launch an expert Facebook ad with no experience required. We take care of all the settings for you. It's very similar to launch campaigns across Google Search, Display, Find Influencers, YouTube ads, and more. And last thing, real quick, let's take a look at the playbook, because I think this will really help a lot of people who are just starting out on their digital marketing experience. This is almost like a game, so you can easily switch between different levels of a playbook, follow the steps, and grow your brand. This is the Grow section of Play.